Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, right now I have only 17.6 USDT, okay? And yesterday I earned around $4.5 and I had only 12 point something dollars, okay? And I also have taken the withdrawal from it on the 5th, okay? Let me just show you. Take a look at yourself. I withdraw the amount of 100 USDT. 3 was the actual fee, okay? And I started back with 10 USDT, okay? Only 10 USDT. The minimum investment you can do on this application is 10 USDT. So after the withdrawal I again started with 12 USDT, okay? I had 12 USDT. You can start with low as 10 USDT, okay? So I started with 12 USDT yesterday and today I have earned $5. So now what I'm gonna do, you can take a look at here. This is basically a genuine networking site, genuine MLM scheme, not a fake scheme, okay? You really earn. If you have referrals, you can earn on a real basis, not a joke, okay? This is a good website. If you have a good team under your referrals, okay, you can earn some good, I mean, good amount of money without investing too much, okay? So I've been trying it for last 2 weeks, okay, and I have withdrawn approximately $100 just by $10 investment. So this is again my second target with $12, and today was the first day I have scored $12. Now within a few days I will also show you the withdrawal. And yeah, it's a very good website, guys, believe me. Good web application. I have made enough videos on it, so the link would be given under the description of this video. Make sure sign up, okay, and also refer your team as well. It's a genuine legit website. I have tested it multiple times, so it's a good website, good application, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is gonna go to the market. I'm gonna click here on the 1 day period. Because I'm doing it only for 1 days, I'm gonna select the total that I'm gonna click here on the confirm, and now it is staking my $17. And you have to stake your dollars, okay? And once you unstake, you can withdraw it at any time. So it's a genuine website, guys. Make sure I will my goal is to earn $1,000 only by investing $10, and I will make a compilation on that. So you can earn good amount of money if you have good amount of people under your referral. So that's it, guys. The period has started. You can check out here. Now let's see how much I can earn. $5 I earn on daily basis. So due to my huge team, due to my huge number of team here, large number of members, huge number of members under my referral. So that's it, guys. Thanks.